This is the busy road. Left and left and right. Left and right. That one? Eye care optical. Eyeglass is this one. Same where we will go. That one. This is the big Harshana. No other? Huh? Mahalakshmi. This one, Mahalakshmi. So dito na tayo guys. This one.
Patients. One of the busiest eye clinic.
Daming tao guys. Tingnan nyo naman sa kapila. Bago nila i-change yung aking eyeglasses, kailangan mo lang po ng consultation. Hindi basta-basta makapag-change. No, it's not easy. I think so. Hindi pwedeng mag-change ng eyeglass na hindi nakapag-consult ng doktor. So kailangan namin mag-consult muna bago ma-change yung aking eyeglass guys. Si Anil guys, nakita nga namin sa work dati sa beach hotel.
How do you feel? You feel good?
Yes, I feel good. Now guys, we are going home. Finished now.
Go home.
So So ayan guys, tapos na kami sa clinic. And then where we're going. Ganun pa rin guys yung aking ano.
New glasses.
Grade ng aking mata.
But number not change, no?
Yes.
Same.
Still same.
Where to?
I don't know where we're going.
Home or?
Where we will buy this spray. Guys, tapos na kami sa Halloween. Palabas na kami guys. So umili lang kami ng tinapay. Spring roll. Uwi na guys. Gutom na ako. Gutom na ako. Thursday. Sa Katpadi. Bumili lang si Dada ng ano. Anong tawag dito? Nigeria juice. Nauuhaw ako. So antay ako konti sa kanya. Sa tindahan. Bumili siya. Wow, nauuhaw ako. Tinapay lang yung kinain namin guys. It's time now is 2:20 in the afternoon. So antay kayo kay Dada. Mahangin-hangin na guys. Tingnan nyo na. Kasi paglaglagan yung ano, yung dahon ng puno, yung daming mga dahon na kapaglalagan na yun. Mahangin guys. Uulan na naman yan ngayon. Mango yung binili ni Dada. Hindi ano, hindi jira. Jira juice.
Yeah, but it's not cold. Outside only the cold.
Too sweet. One more.
How was your school?
Nothing.
Nothing, everything nothing. You naughty? Hmm? I came there before near to your school.
How?
By car. But I didn't see you. You went outside playing?
Huh?
You went outside today in the ground for playing? No. Only in the classroom?
Yeah.
Mm,
I did not play anything. I just was study only.
okay. Orlin is back from school. Back to home. Home sweet home. Orlin. Back to home. It's shiny sun. No, it's just a coconut. small, small,
something
tiny
just fly
coconut.
away.
It's fly. Maybe
Something
butterfly.
just fly.
Maybe butterfly.
No, that's not butterfly. It's like a grasshopper.
Oh, maybe grasshopper.
I'm scared of grasshopper.
Why? He's so friendly. Press the bell. You can't reach. Oh, Mama's here.
Hi. How are you?
What happened?
Lo, Orlin's so tired. Oh no.
What's happened, Roland?
He's so tired.
You're cheating!
I'm looking at Baba.
You're cheating. Should I remove your hand? Remove your hand. Open your eyes. I don't think. Oh,
When you buy this one?
what is that?
When you buy this one?
What is that?
Just tell me when you buy this one.
We're going to Philippines. Sabi niya na!
Why you take this without asking me?
What? This is my present for you. Oh, no, 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 don't. Which one you want?
Dad,
Okay.
Show me here, show me here.
Lips.
Go far, far. Show me.
Dada said to
Go
buy
far.
for you. Come
Show
here,
me,
I'll open for you. Dada. Jellies. Jelly.
Whoa!
Sorry.